Horseshoe, and feels good to bring the carb out because yeah, my fuel turned into like some plastic inside my carb, so it had like it actually blocked the float, so my bike was peeing and dribbling the night before, so that was a bit of a pain in the ass because I was like, oh god, I did the whole like tilt the bike on its side, shake it around, whack it with a spanner. I wasn't working. I was bashing one off for like, I don't know, I was bashing it off for like a good solid like 15 minutes, and it just wasn't resolving, and it was just dribbling everywhere. Oh, it was a mess. So I decided to like, open it up and dig inside, and yep, lo and behold, there was like this string of plastic inside, and Lucas was saying that's what happens to old fuel. So feels bad, but clean the carb out, and yeah, out for a ride. So this week we're out with Lucas, Jesse, Derek was here too, and then there was two extra guys. There was Jorge, and there was two extra guys. One was called Ben, and the other guy was called Andy. And yeah, it was really good to get out and ride. Jesse and Ben are definitely getting race ready for the corduroy, so they were fast as fuck. But it was really good to ride with them, and yeah, and try and keep pace. Here we go. It's Jesse right in front of us now. I mean, showing him off when he's just chilling out. But we're just starting the day. I mean, I almost always put the day in chronological order. So this is like we're just finishing our warm up, or just warming up still, just getting started. So yeah, I like that's how I usually do my videos. I just get all the clips, put them in order, and then cut them down. So yeah, like they're getting ready for the corduroy. So good luck to everyone who's doing the corduroy in a couple of weeks. I'm quite jealous. Won't be doing it this year, obviously. I'm just happy to get out for a ride this year. But yeah, maybe next year I'll come do the corduroy again. Try and finish in a bit of a better shape than I did last time. Like, yes, I finished, but fucking hell. Go a little faster. That's my tip. Go a little faster. 70% of Fox's pace still means he glides over everything. 70% of my pace means I fall in every single hole, and it's horrific. So we'll see about that next year. Fingers crossed I get to do it. But yeah, it was really good. At Horseshoe today, they added, or there is now like this rocky hill climb section. Got some cool photos from it. Probably use one as the thumbnail, but I didn't actually take any video of it because I got so excited. We were just doing the rocks and riding around on them, and I actually just forgot to like film. Oh well, whatever. It's a cool little rocky section. It's good to practice, just ride over them and try and climb up some of them. There was like this one massive one with one tire track up. It's like, oh, someone's gone up that, but this is definitely not us because that was scary. It was quite dusty today. Probably the dustiest I've ever seen Horseshoe, actually. Usually there's, even in like the summer, there's usually quite a bit of like wet patches. But it was absolutely bone dry. This year has been so dry. My tomatoes haven't been growing so great. Like I remember last year, well, every other year that I've grown them, by Canada Day, they're starting to ripen, ready to harvest. And this year, they were about a month late, and even still I have green ones on the vine, so I'm gonna I know they're just not gonna ripen on the vine anymore, so I'll go pick them after this video. Actually, cool story, changed your life. I'll go pick them and ripen them in the kitchen because yeah, I think they're done. But yeah, it's good to get out and ride. Like feels good. Good to follow the pace. At the end of this clip, I'm not going to talk for the entire length of this video. It's not going to be a normal length video, and then at the end I've just got one section where, right at the end of the day, just before we all left, Jesse was like, I want to go do this one piece of track that I like. I want to go practice on it. So yeah, following Derek, gotta get a little clip of him in. One of the guys who else came, I think it was his first year. Andy, it's his first year. So it was fun to see complete new like a newbie again. He tried his best. Knew his limits for sure. Derek, gotta stand through these tiny little wheelie bits, even though you're like 6 foot billion and probably might actually not fit under the trees. Yeah, my speedo's broken again. The clip came undone. I swear the design of whoever made the clip for the speedo on the beta is absolutely incompetent, because oh my god, that thing just never stays attached. It's so useless. I realised later on in the day that I was like, oh, it's come undone because we've only done 17 kilometers, and then I'm like, I'm definitely sure we've ridden more than 17k.
How would it be good in the wet?
Oh, very style points. I was gonna say, yeah, in the wet, definitely going sideways. Good wheelie though. So now we're following Ben. Everyone, yeah, getting a good pace on, getting ready for the corduroy. Don't want to smash his bike up though, or himself, for that matter. Having a bit of fun, just whipping around. So, a tree came down on me. You'll see in a second. It's not as dramatic as I was hoping, but I thought it came down much closer, but it turns out it came down in front of me, and then I just rode into it. I'm drinking tea as well right now, sorry. I was going to say, this weekend when I went riding, we was going through a sleep regression, so I think I got like 10 hours over 3 days, and 6 of the hours were like in one of the nights, so it was pretty rough. Like, I think I came out to this and I was only on like 4 hours sleep over the last 2 days, so I wasn't feeling my best, but I was also feeling really excited because I was getting out riding, so I actually wasn't feeling so bad, even though I was, I don't know, imagine how you feel after 4 hours on 4 hours of sleep over 2 days. But he's actually been really good this week. He's back to normal. I managed to get like 7 hours sleep. I only had to get up once during the night last night. I was like, oh, thank God. Feels good. Feels good to finally get some sleep. It's kind of interesting as well, seeing he managed to like crawl forwards a little bit as well, which I think is pretty crazy and kind of scary. He didn't move much. He was just like pulled with his arms, kicked with his legs, and moved forward a good few inches. And he's done it a few times now. I assume it's going to be within a couple of months he'll be starting to crawl around. So, oh boy. And then once he can crawl, he can go to the mines. And because, you know, there comes the tree. Oh.
Tree. Yeah, I'm good.
I didn't crash.
The tree came down on me.
But I did crash.
That fell just now?
Yep, just came down on me.
It felt more dramatic when I was riding.
Oh, you got a saw? Sick. Alright, well, let's cut it then.
Well, we didn't actually have a saw. But, we couldn't move the tree because it was just too much. Oh well, it's not that big. You can get over it. Like, it squishes down and to the side. Get over it, no problem. What was I saying? Oh yeah, once he's able to crawl, he can crawl into the mines and he can go start doing some mining and earn his way. He can buy himself a bike, buy himself a KDM with all that coal money he earns. Feels good. Right now we're following Jorge. I don't think he's doing the call this year. I think he's just going to go watch. It's his first year of racing. It's not his first year of riding, evidently, but it's his first year of racing, and I think he got an awakening when he was he did the Go for Dunes race, and I think it was like a muddy shit show, and yeah, he's pretty good in the single track, but he might get a little spooked out on like the faster sections. But whatever. I mean, like, everybody. I was shit on the single track and the faster sections. You get better over the years. That's how it goes. It is a good day for a ride. So after this, I think I'm just gonna let the video roll, and yeah, I won't talk too much. So just enjoy the bike for a bit.
that was good.